Trends. I have begun this channel to share my simple, easy recipes and home management ideas which have helped me in balancing my career and home for the past 2 decades. All of us have the same 24 hours in a day, but effective time management will keep us healthy and happy. An organized home reduces day to day stress, which is why it is most essential to maintain routines. Children learn a lot from us, and it is our responsibility to give them a good environment to grow. A simple example is we cannot expect children to snack on fruits if we reach out to a pack of chips or fries. Interestingly, this lockdown has made us realize that we can survive on home cooked food and spend weekends at home with family. Let us begin with an immunity booster drink, which is most essential to keep us safe. There is a saying in Tamil, Unave Marundu, which means what ingredients we use in our daily food acts as a medicine for our well-being. The spices in our kitchen were the secret recipe to our granny's healthy bones and good eyesight. Let's get started. We are going to take 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds. Cumin seeds are anti-inflammatory and have a lot of antioxidants. They control blood sugar and cholesterol and aid in digestion and weight loss too. 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds. They are rich in zinc and iron and helps in reducing bad cholesterol and improving the good cholesterol in our body. It also increases the metabolism. Peppercorns are very high in antioxidants. They are antibacterial. It helps to remove toxins from the body and is a very effective medicine for cough and cold. 1 teaspoon of ajwain. It aids in digestion. It is also anti-inflammatory and helps to maintain the blood sugar. We also have taken 1 clove, 3 to 4 Indian borage leaves. Indian borage leaves are used for respiratory illness and is an effective medicine for cough. A small piece of ginger, half an inch of ginger, an effective medicine for cough and cold and indigestion too. We are going to add all these in around 3 liters of water and allow it to boil till it comes to a rolling boil. All these Indian spices which are used here are very effective for maintaining the immunity of the body as well as to keep cough and cold away. The seasonal cough and cold, it's a very effective medicine for seasonal cough and cold. It also helps in digestion. Consuming it on a regular basis also helps in weight loss combined with other exercises too. This can be sipped hot or warm. Generally, during this time of work from home, where many of us tend to have a few more cups of coffee or tea, this hot water will help to maintain digestion as well as stay away from coffee or tea. If you like the contents, stay tuned for more interesting and healthy recipes and do subscribe to Simple Trends and smash the like button. Bye!